Today we're gonna look into zero-shot prompting, which is the fastest and easiest way to make ChatGPT work for you. So what exactly is zero-shot prompting? It's when you give ChatGPT a single straightforward request without giving it any additional information or examples, and see what it comes up with without any help. Here is the prompt.
Write a blog post on productivity.
That's it, no fancy instructions, no examples. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. And as you can see, ChatGPT gave us a pretty solid post. It's clear, it's organized, and to the point. This is where zero-shot prompting is really powerful, but also where you might need to tweak the results later. So zero-shot prompting is super handy when you need quick results with minimal effort. It's great for brainstorming and getting content fast. Try zero-shot prompting next time you're stuck for ideas. And let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you want to take things a step further, check out my next video on few-shot prompting. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos from me. See you soon.